This is Sennheiser's new flagship earbuds for 2024, the Momentum True Wireless 4. And there is a lot to like about them, so let's get cracking. Packaging looks very familiar, but Sennheiser has actually reduced the packaging footprint by almost 50% in volume and in weight, which is good for the environment, so I love that. And when you open inside, you get a bunch of documentation, 2 sets of fins, some extra ear tips in different sizes, and a small USB-C charging cable. Design-wise, everything with the Momentum TW4 is identical to the last generation, but they have a few different finishes this time around. Like the one that I'm holding right now is the black graphite colorway, and the finish is very smooth and almost metallic, which by the way, honestly speaking, looks very classy. Also, I'm digging the new darker fabric on the case, which I'm sure will not look dirty as much as the old ones did over time. The earbuds weigh just a bit over 6 grams and has wings on side, which makes sure that you get a secure and comfortable fit. On my tests in and around the house, the Momentum TW4 never came off of my ears, and I was able to wear them for straight 3 to 4 hours at a stretch without any sign of discomfort. These earbuds are also IP54 splash resistant, so they will make a very practical workout earbud. Other than that, the case is small enough and only weigh around 60 grams without the earbuds, so carrying them around in your pocket will not be a problem. However, they are not the smallest case around, but nevertheless, it's not a big issue in terms of portability. And when it comes to connectivity, the Momentum True Wireless 4 has done some serious upgrades. This is actually the first earbud that I'm testing in 2024 that has Bluetooth 5.4 connectivity. And coupled with Snapdragon sound, these earbuds brings aptX lossless codec support, which gives you CD-like sound quality. You also get ultra low latency sound and voice back channel, which pretty much means they are excellent for gaming. The voice back channel will allow you to talk to your teammates when gaming, which you don't see in a lot of earbuds until now. Other than that, you also get multi-point connectivity to connect 2 devices at the same time and Bluetooth's Auracus technology built in. Basically, this allows you to tap into a Bluetooth broadcast station without having to go through a complicated pairing process. Imagine being in a public place such as the airport and to be able to tune in a muted TV, how convenient would that be? Or listen to your gate's announcement to keep you updated at all times. This also means you can stream audio over Bluetooth from your phone, like the latest releases from Samsung, which has Auracus to multiple Momentum TW4 at the same time. Now at launch, you may not be able to make proper use of this technology because not every device is enabled with Auracus, but it's good to know that the Momentum TW4 has hardware to take advantage of the future. The Sennheiser Momentum 4 has touch controls. I was able to change tracks and input other playback commands without any issues, and they were really responsive, so nothing to complain there. Now moving on to battery life. These earbuds are now able to last 7 hours with ANC on, and with the case you can recharge them almost 4 more times to get as close as 30 hours of total playback time. Now I use my iPhone with volume at 75% while having the ANC on to reach these numbers, so it could change from person to person depending on how you use it, of course. And to recharge, it took me more or less 1 hour to recharge from 35% to 100% over USB-C cable, but I'm happy to see that finally Sennheiser gave the Momentum 4 Qi charging capability for wireless charging. The noise cancellation is very good on the Momentum True Wireless 4. They use adaptive noise cancelling technology to figure out what level of noise cancelling is required depending on the noise level around you, and it works really well. I did not get the time to do a proper side-by-side comparison with the binaural mic against the Bose and Sony, but at least on my ear so far, the Momentum 4 felt like they are on par with the best of the best. I took the Momentum True Wireless 4 out for a walk today, and it was able to cancel the neighbor's lawnmower, the construction site's jackhammer, and even a dog barking. They let me zone into my music without any disruption. The Momentum True Wireless 4 also has transparency mode. The amount of outside sound it can bring in to keep you aware of your surrounding is simply amazing, but I love the fact how natural everything sounds. It's not like the sound is over amplified or anything, it just sounds very easy on your ears. And when it comes to sound, you get a bass forward sound signature with a bit of under-emphasized treble, but the Momentum TW4 has a 5-band equalizer with which you can make the earbud sound whichever way you think suits your ears the most. I prefer this setting because I like to hear rock or metal mostly, so you can try out what works best for you. But basically all the new age music that is coming up now will sound great with the Momentum 4 with its out-of-the-box tuning. But for people who likes jazz or classical music, you might want to decrease the bass and amp up the mids a little bit for a better experience. But having said that, the Momentum 4 will not muddy the audio even at high volumes while keeping the distortion at a minimum. The bass range accuracy is close to perfect and the mid accuracy is excellent, which makes them incredibly fun to listen to. But as I said before, the treble range is not the strongest suite. However, the imaging is spot on, and with aptX lossless, you will get one of the best sounding earbuds in 2024 if you get the Momentum 4. Also, the soundstage is as wide as it can be on a true wireless format, and separation of instruments is also very good.
Sennheiser claims that they have upgraded the mics with the Momentum TW4, but let me know what you think. I've got a lot of wind going on here and a lot of cars passing by. Mic check, mic check. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Mic check, mic check. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
So in conclusion, the Momentum True Wireless 4 is one of the best sounding earbuds that you can probably buy for the whole of 2024. Their connectivity options are for the future and the call quality is simply brilliant. The adaptive noise cancelling is better than before, which lets them finally go toe-to-toe with the league leaders in this department. They are priced at $300 in the US, which is not cheap, but if you're after a premium earbud with high-end tech that you can use for a long time, then the Momentum True Wireless 4 is for you.